It's Darren the Destroyer here for the Nice Ash Cigars podcast, and we just got these in stock at the store, and I'm pretty excited about it. This is the Artuo Fuente Don Carlos Personal Reserve Cigars. We're going to do a quick unboxing. Just super careful with this because I guess these cigars are just really rare, limited, so I don't want to get crazy with it. And as you can see, they include the white gloves, which could be a little bit of marketing, but you know, it's smart. So let's get the plastic off here.
Is there plastic underneath the plastic?
There's
There
plastic
is. Look
under
at
the
that.
plastic. The gloves are sealed in plastic, and then the cigar box is sealed in plastic. So I'm actually going to take advantage of these. Get these on.
Now, how are you going to get that plastic off with those gloves on?
If need be, I got my trusty knife in my pocket. Back there. That's the back of the box. Make sure it's got a seal right there. Are we ready?
I think we're ready.
Whoa! Look at that.
Beautiful.
This cigar is dedicated to Don Carlos's 80th anniversary in the cigar industry. So yeah, if you're in the area and you want to find one of these, we've got them. They're not going to last, so act quick.